I'm Sirisha, working as a student welfare officer in International Academy of Computer Graphics. We are from ISCG College, and this International Academy of Computer Graphics collaborated with JNTU, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. We are providing Bachelor of Multimedia course. It's a 4 years course, degree graduation. And PG course also we are providing. It's a 2 years course. In the 2 years we have 4 semesters. And we are providing job placements also, like Rhythm and Hughes, DataQuest, version 2 gaming, and from 9 years we are in the market, and from 2006 onwards we have JNTU registration. We are the unique in Hyderabad, because JNTU certificate we are only providing in, not only in Hyderabad, in AP we are only providing this Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University providing. So many colleges they are providing like Fine Arts University certificate, and some other universities some other colleges they are providing other university certificate. But in AP we are only providing International Academy of in Andhra Pradesh we are only providing JNTU certificate. Our college is the unique in AP because we are providing JNTU Technological University. We are already, some students they are placed in Rhythm and Hughes, and some are placed in Makta Gaming, version 2 gaming, Ticklebug. Like so many students they are placed in like Varahi Productions. Like so many people they have goals and like ambitions, like they have to work under someone, under directors like Rajmouli, like that. Some 5 people they are under Rajmouli Garu, like Ega Productions, they are working under Ega Productions. Our faculty is AICTE approval undali. So, our faculty is from JNTU only. I mean, as per JNTU norms only, our faculty we have. And it is being conducted by Mr. Ramakrishna. He is our founder and CEO. Because so many people they don't know about what is multimedia, what is animation, what are these specializations. So we want to give awareness to the people. That's why we are conducting this program here in Harihara Kala Bhavan. And maximum students they are interested in filmmaking and VFX and so many specializations. But parents they are not encouraging the students. Everyone is interested like MBBS, they are choosing like engineering, like so many other, but they are not at all interested in multimedia. So we want to give awareness to the parents and the students also. That's why we are conducting this seminar program in Harihara Kala Bhavan. Morning 9 o'clock to 1 o'clock this seminar will continue. We placed our students in top companies like national and international companies. 100% placement we provided to the students, and like companies Rhythm and Hughes, Crayon Colors, Makta Gaming Centers and Makta Gaming, Varahi Productions, like that. We place so many students in the very good companies, and we are providing scholarships to the students who are coming like more than 65% also. We are providing good person, more than 75% also. They are getting very good fee concession, and they are getting students are getting loans also from SBI banks and some other leading banks. We are providing loans also from the banks to our students, like SBI, HDFC, so many very, very good banks, they are providing loans to our students. Thank you very much.